Slingshot rifles have gained popularity in hunting and fishing circles due to their versatility in using various types of ammo and bands for silent game hunting. This particular model has been the best-selling slingshot rifle in China for the past 2 years. It boasts a high-quality trigger, a linear bearing for enhanced performance, and a 12mm stainless bearing steel pole/rod for durability and strength. Additionally, it comes with fishing accessories, making it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Priced at $190, it caters to both hunters and anglers. The EDM-4S is a Lithuanian handheld electronic anti-drone cannon designed to neutralize small and medium unmanned aerial vehicles, drones. Manufactured by NT Service UAB in Kaunas, it's already in use by the Ukrainian military. This device effectively combats reconnaissance, corrective, or weaponized drones by emitting an electromagnetic pulse, EMP, upon trigger activation. Depending on the drone's complexity, the EMP can cause it to crash, change course, or perform an emergency landing. The EDM-4S has a range of up to 5 kilometers and operates autonomously for up to 35 minutes. It's a valuable tool for countering drone threats and is priced at $15,000. The CA09 railgun is the first commercially available coil accelerator, utilizing advanced electromagnetism for rapid firing. Its compact design and magazine-fed operation make it a standout option in this category, achieving incredible rates of up to 2,400 rounds per minute. One of its key strengths is its magazine capacity, holding up to 50 rounds of 18-gram projectiles. This design ensures not only high firepower, but also extended shooting sessions without constant reloads. What truly sets it apart is its reliance solely on electricity for operation, eliminating the need for traditional propellants. This electric-based system provides real-time control over firing parameters and offers a higher degree of flexibility in terms of settings and adjustments. Priced at just $1,600, the CA09 railgun represents a groundbreaking advancement in coil accelerator technology. The Umarex T4E HDB shotgun is a versatile and powerful 68 caliber weapon. It can shoot paintballs, rubber balls, or powder balls at speeds of up to 220 FPS using economical CO2. The shotgun features a quick piercing CO2 chamber for easy installation, a CO2 charge indicator, and an integrated magazine with 16 rounds for quick reloading. It also boasts a metal barrel, sling mounts, and M-lock slots and Picatinny rails for accessories. With compatibility for two 12-gram CO2 cartridges, it ensures smooth operation during intense scenarios. The shotgun's features include a quick piercing system, multiple Picatinny rails, a fixed rear notch sight, and a front iron sight for precise aiming. Its durable polymer grip and forend provide a comfortable and secure grip, and the double-action trigger allows for fast firing sequences. The price? $205. The Scuba Ringer Mk2 stands as a remarkable underwater sports device designed to accelerate two mini harpoons using compressed air, making it a versatile tool for underwater enthusiasts. This iteration is an improvement upon the original Scuba Ringer compact underwater pistol, elevating your underwater experiences. It operates with two compressed air cartridges, each equipped with screw-on arrow launch tubes, ensuring both power and reusability. In the realm of self-defense, the Scuba Ringer Mk2 holds unique potential. It can be legally used as an emergency weapon when no other means of defense are available, making it a valuable tool for your safety. With its accessible reloading process resembling that of a break-barrel shotgun, you can quickly replace spent cartridges with loaded ones, ensuring you're always ready for any situation. It is priced at $380. The Falcon-GT slingshot rifle is a compact and powerful weapon capable of reaching speeds of up to 300 FPS when using 8mm steel ball bearings. This makes it suitable for hunting small game at ranges of 30 to 40 metres, 100 to 130 feet. Precision crafted from 7075 aviation-grade aluminium, it's not only powerful but also highly durable. When collapsed, its compact size allows for easy transportation in a small backpack. Whether you're in the wild or at the shooting range, the Falcon-GT combines portability and power. It's priced at $250. In maritime safety and rescue operations, having the right equipment can mean the difference between life and death. The IKAROS Line thrower is one such essential tool that plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety of ships and their crew members. This specialized device is designed to cast a pilot line for cables and ropes in rescue situations. Whether it's for transferring personnel between ships, securing lines during docking, or conducting personnel rescues at sea, the IKAROS Line thrower is a reliable and indispensable tool. It's equipped with a solid fuel rocket and 300 meters of robust line. Operating it is straightforward. Remove the safety pin, hold the device steady, and pull the trigger. The result is an accurate launch of the pilot line to the desired destination, facilitating efficient rescue operations even in challenging conditions. The Demon GT Slingshot is a formidable weapon designed to fire various projectiles, including ball bearings, full-sized carbon arrows, and birdshot-style rounds. The Slingshot is incredibly powerful, capable of launching 10 to 30 ball bearings at a single shot. It's built tough, featuring a fully CNC machined construction with a stainless steel trigger mechanism and an aluminium alloy grip. The main barrel accommodates up to 18mm sized ball bearings, making it a versatile and potent weapon. Priced at $400, it's a force to be reckoned with. The Bulldog 457 Bullpup air rifle by Benjamin Air Guns is designed for power and precision. With 457 caliber firepower, it's ready for hunting large game like white-tailed deer and wild hogs. The compact 36-inch bullpup design allows easy maneuverability in different hunting situations. It features a Lothar Walther barrel for accuracy and a reversible side lever for both right and left-handed shooters. The 26-inch Picatinny rail lets you customize it with various accessories. It's quiet and suppresses noise effectively with sound trap technology. Priced at $750, this air rifle delivers power, precision, and versatility. The Air Venturi Avenger Bullpup is a compact air rifle that delivers full-sized performance in a bullpup configuration. Available in 177, 22, or 25 calibers, this rifle features a synthetic thumbhole stock with integrated sling mounts, providing classic bullpup aesthetics. What sets the Avenger Bullpup apart is its externally adjustable regulator, ensuring shot-to-shot consistency and accuracy. The side lever action is smooth, and the rifle includes 2 magazines. The 2-stage adjustable trigger offers a crisp break. With a 180cc underbarrel air reservoir, the rifle offers a significant shot count. The adjustable regulator allows fine tuning, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. At just $460, the Avenger Bullpup combines affordability with top-tier performance. British inventor Colin Furze is renowned for his creative and often daring inventions. His latest project, inspired by the X-Men character PYRO, showcases his ingenuity in a spectacular fashion. Colin has crafted a wrist-mounted flamethrower that can shoot impressive 12-foot flames into the air. What's even more fascinating is that he has shared a comprehensive 9-minute video tutorial detailing the entire construction process. This gadget demonstrates Colin's dedication to pushing the boundaries of DIY engineering and has gained significant attention, much like his previous creations, such as homemade Wolverine claws and magnetic Magneto shoes. It's a thrilling example of how innovation and creativity can lead to remarkable and, in this case, fiery results. While the military explores even more powerful laser weaponry, YouTuber PYRO decided to create something equally extraordinary and dangerous, a DIY 40-watt laser shotgun, all crafted in his garage. This remarkable contraption might lack the practicality of conventional weapons, but dazzles with its sheer power and awe-inspiring capabilities. The laser shotgun boasts 8 5-watt blue lasers that operate in parallel through a focusing lens, powered by a massive lithium polymer battery. This configuration allows it to perform a variety of impressive feats, from popping balloons and setting paper on fire to obliterating ping-pong balls. However, it's crucial to note that the laser's power poses serious safety risks, particularly if it enters someone's eyes.